Hello, what makes a good swing trading setup in an uptrend? We are going to look at our chart here, and we are in a maximum daily chart, and we are going to analyze 3 stocks here to see what setup they have. So the first one is ADI. So for you to buy the stock based on our uptrend and swing trading strategy that we like to follow, a good setup is to find the stocks at the trend line where you want to buy. When they start going up from there, and you buy some shares. So when we are looking at ADI, today is December 1st, 2025, and the market has not opened yet. So last time the market opened, the market closed on green. The price at the end of the day was higher than the price in the morning when the markets opened, and it turned out to be a new high as well. The chart reached an all-time high. So when you are looking at it, yes, it's going up, it's not going down just yet. So therefore it is now a stock to purchase just yet. If you have it in your portfolio, then you'll be thinking if you want to sell it. But to sell it, you might want to think last time it touched base with that support line, when you purchase it and start going up, how long it continue going up before it pull back. So it reached a new high pretty much right there, and pull back a little bit and continue. So pretty much, and then it pull back and continue. So all the way to here, pretty much almost a year, if not a little bit more, before it pull back down. So it reached a new high here, half of the year. If it's going to repeat the same pattern, you can anticipate it might continue to go higher and higher for another 6 months. So suppose if we assume you purchase it around this area, then from the new high, it has been like, this one is July. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price from 0 up. So it is almost 5 months now that it has been going higher and higher. So you can decide to stay in the trade for half the time it did it here, and by getting out of the trade, by selling it now or next month or so, just in case it does not replicate the same pattern exactly the same. So that will be a good setup for selling and not buying. But buying, a good setup will be to find the stocks around the trend line. Right now is a good setup for selling the stocks if you have it in your portfolio. It's going up, it's nowhere near where we want to buy. So we'll go back to our watch list and check the second one is ADP. Okay. ADP. Well, ADP is at the support line. We like to buy it, pull back a little bit and start going up. It reached a new high right there, and it pull back and start going up. So when we are looking at ADP, it is a good setup to buy some share, because it pulled back to our support line and it went a little bit below and start going up. So we can zoom to see what is going on here. We see 3 higher lows. This one is higher than this one, which is higher than this one. We have a little bit of uptrend going on here, like it's done going on, and would like to go back to where the support line is. So yes, today could be a time to buy some share if you want to. However, you wanted to see if there is another possible support line at the bottom that there is a chance it might go to, and there is one there. Since it's now well visible here, we can go to the maximum daily chart, maximum monthly chart to see it. One thing to consider too, it reached a new high this year. So this may not necessarily be the valley line, because a lot of time it does not reach the new all-time new high and reach the valley line within the same year. A good valley line, it might take a while to reach it for some stocks. But again, you have to look at the past and see how long this uptrend line is. So we'll go to maximum monthly chart, and we can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years long. So it could well be a good, support line that it might decide to go up from there. Alternatively, there is a chance it might decide to come back down to this one. If you purchase some share now and it come back down here, you might decide to buy some again. If you purchase one share here and it comes down here, you can decide to buy one share. The thing is, the stocks in overall is an uptrending stocks. So if you purchase it at a higher price, you just let it be in your portfolio until it becomes positive, because it will be, it's just a matter of time, and then it'll continue higher up and start making higher highs. So yes, this is a good setup. This is a good one. The real question is which one of the two he's going to use. Since it's around this support line, if you have a certain dollar amount you want to allocate to it, you can use half there. If it comes back down here, you might use another half. The chances that this might be too low for it to come down there, but there is a possibility that between the two. It has been on the rise for a while now. So yeah, and we have a good setup to buy this stock. Now we are going to go to analyze one more, is AFL. So AFL, if you look at where the price is, the price dropped yesterday, the last time the market was open, the price dropped. So the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the market's open. When you look at where the price is, where we want to buy, and where the all-time high is, because all-time high, because we are using maximum daily chart or maximum monthly chart, all-time high like this is all-time high in the history of this stock since it went public, or at least since the platform we are using can record historical chart. So if you are looking at where the price is right now, it's closer to an all-time high than it is to where we want to buy it. It's not a new setup to buy stocks, so it's far from where we want to buy it. Therefore, we'll keep watching it. It's nowhere near there. As for this one, we have 3 value lines that we like to buy at. This is low, but it originated from this. You can see how many years is that. Those dotted lines are years, and this one is longer, and this one is longer. Things is those two are not too far apart from each other, so either one will work depending on which one is decided to use. Let's say you purchase a pullback here and start going up from there. You purchase some share and later it come back down here. You can just wait until it start going up again and then continue higher. If you purchase it here, it comes down here and then comes down here, you can decide to buy some more and and just leave them in your portfolio until it become positive for this one and continue higher up, making higher highs and so forth until you decide to sell. So that is pretty much how we determine a good setup to buy a stock, and we already talked about a good setup to sell a stock as well. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soup.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account slowly from there. Focus on making profit on each one of your swing trade, and slowly you will grow your account from there. For more of our swing trading strategy, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video. We have an online workshop available on our online store, Liber Download. You can check it out if you wanted to reserve a seat for yourself. And the next workshop is Saturday, December 6th. Thank you for your time. And it is a small group workshop where you can practice analyzing stocks to see if a stock is well positioned for you to buy some shares. Thank you for your time.